y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Desarae. So today I have another wig to review for you guys. This video is sponsored by Nia Wigs. They sent me this wig to review for you guys. So this is going to be a half wig. This is a 20-inch Yaki human hair wig. And before I do any alterations, not alterations, but before I style it, I want to show you guys how it's looking. I'm not going to have enough time to style it today because I have to put rollers in it. But this is how the wig looks. You just clip it in. It also comes with combs and a comb right here. This is also a comb, y'all. I'm tripping. And then it comes also with adjustable straps. So when I do put this on, I'm going to have to cut this off and apply it to my real hair. So this is how the wig is looking. Beautiful texture. I love this texture. So let me show you guys just a preview. For the sake of me styling this wig easier, I'm not going to cut this off. But look how full this hair is. And this is 22 inches. Look how long that is. Freaking long. So yeah, I'm gonna have fun styling her. So yeah, when I come back, I'm probably gonna be finishing this video on a different day because, like I said, I need to put some flexi rods in her and all of that. So yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all in a bit. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Desarae. If you have not seen a previous clip, I styled the wig and now I'm about to pop it on. So this is the wig. This is a half wig. I believe this is a U-part wig. We're gonna see how we're gonna work that out. We're gonna see how we're gonna work that out. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this and install it. Now I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna wear this because I don't have a mohawk anymore, but my hair is still short because due to the fact my hair is growing out from the mohawk. I don't know why I'm growing my hair out anyway. I don't know why I'm doing that. So we're gonna figure out how we're gonna do this. I literally just redid this, so that's how it's gonna go. We gonna see how this gonna go. Honey, we gonna see. Oh, fuck. Okay, so I'm gonna have to take these little ponytails out. Oh my gosh. I had them good. They were so good, y'all. But for the sake of this video, we're gonna get it done because I don't want them stalking me, girl. They will stalk you until a video is done. So for the sake of this video, let me pull some of my hair out. Tie it down because I think it'll stay better if it's loose. Let's hope this ain't no fail, y'all. This ain't lining up, so let's try. Now we're just gonna pull the rest of the hair down and hope the back comb catches it. It caught that good. So I'm gonna go ahead and unravel these and I'll be right back. And as y'all can see, I cut my nails off again. I just did my nails a couple days ago, and I just got tired of them. I was supposed to have went to a party bus next coming weekend, and they were going to match an outfit, and I got the outfit, and the outfit is neon green, not neon yellow. So I'm like, bitch, no, that's not gonna work. And then, not to mention, the outfit is too tight. I forgot I'm gaining weight, so. All right, y'all, so I'm not sure if this is a fail or not. I did notice that the curls is way higher on this end, so I think I put my rods too high on this side. So it depends on all about where you place your rods. And to me, it looks pretty good. If you notice that the hair, if the pins are starting to show, add some clips too in your hair too. Like add something like right here. That can camouflage the clips, and also it can add more security to your hair as well. So yeah, can you guys see any clips? And then I also went in with some baby hairs. I did it randomly because I'm trying to give it the natural effect. I'm not trying to do it perfectly as if it is a lace front. Otherwise you might know like, oh, okay, there might be a wig or a half wig. But if I do it randomly around my hairline, it can kind of camouflage it. And ignore this right here, I burnt myself. So yeah, so if you also want to actually wear this French braid, I would add a rod in your real hair, and that way when you go to styling your hair, it'll match even perfectly. So in my opinion, I don't think this is a fail. It all depends on how you finesse the hair. So yeah, this is how it looks in the back. I didn't comb these curls out, so yeah, we just gonna see like how we can finesse it. I didn't even put that much effort in this, and to me, I think this is a slate. It's just this side I could have had made the rods bigger. I could have used more sections. So if you are trying to finesse your short hair, use bigger sections. I should have did that with this side. It would have matched this side. This side is perfect for finessing. So yeah, that is all that I have on this video. I do like this wig, so if you are interested in Nia Wigs, I will have it linked in the description box. So once again, thank you so much for tuning in, and I see you guys in my next video.